Oscar, come on, bud. Let's go. Oscar! Oscar! Whoa. From crossing. Look. Yeah, give me that. Go get it. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. Boys, in the last video, I told you that my C8 Corvette was en route to Louisville, Kentucky. The car ended up getting delayed. If we would have flown out there, we'd be sat in a couch. I don't know what we'd be doing. I don't know why we'd be on a couch. Anyways, I just got confirmation that the car is en route now today officially. It's gonna be there in 3 hours, and so we are flying off to Kentucky tomorrow. I ordered this car back in July, boys. Oh, I'm so excited. It has been 8 months in the making. I cannot wait. We got a bunch to do today first though, and then we're flying off to Kentucky. So yeah, we have a bunch to do in today's video, but it just started raining. What is going on, Utah? We are meeting up with an Aventador SV Roadster from Canada. We got a bunch of 720Ss. We got a lot to do today, but it's raining. Why is it raining? What's going on? That was a weird face. The key, come on. The key is to be smarter than the cardboard box, which for me sometimes is not as easy as it appears. I'm exhausted. These are so sick. Check it out, boys. We got custom downhill skis from Cross and Skis. They match the Aventador to perfection. So I sent the guys at Cross and Skis purple, orange, and white vinyl samples, and they had these skis perfectly made. Yo, they're full carbon fiber. The same carbon fiber used in Formula One is the carbon fiber on these ski bases. Pre-preg carbon fiber, fastest ski bases in the world, made in the United States, in Seattle, Washington. These are sick. Unfortunately, it's raining. It's not snowing in Utah, but the snow's coming soon. We're gonna start off today's video with a bit of a, well, it's not really a fun fact, but it is a fact. Did you know that 2 out of 3 men will experience some form of male pattern baldness by the time they turn age 35? Boys, we're only getting older. It's happening to me, and it's probably happening to you, but we have a solution. I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by Keeps. I can tell you guys from experience that going bald is not the greatest thing that's ever happened to me. There's a couple key stats you have to know. Prevention is essential. If you still have a relatively full head of hair, it's not too late. The sooner you start using Keeps, the more hair you're gonna save. 66% of men will experience hair regrowth with Keeps treatments. 66%! That's almost 2 out of every 3. And not only that, Keeps is extremely affordable. A lot of hair loss programs are really expensive, so you're going bald and you're going broke, but with Keeps, you're keeping your hair and you're keeping your money. Not only is Keeps gonna help you save your hair in your bank account, it also is gonna save you time. You don't have to go to the doctor's office, you don't have to go to the pharmacy, you can do everything online, and your hair loss medication is mailed directly to your house. It doesn't get any easier, boys. If you're ready to take action today to start preventing hair loss, be sure to check out keeps.com/Stradman or click the link in the description below to save 50% off your first order. That is keeps.com/Stradman. Burlacker, where are you at? You're getting flexed on hardcore. That's paint. That's not a wrap. What? That's sick. Go. Don't let the coronavirus slow you down. This is for the Tesla. Yes. Okay, boys, so 2 V12 Lamborghinis is good, but 4 V12 Lamborghinis is excessively better. Check this place out. We're just out here chasing views on views. Rev it up a little bit. I need a Murcielago in my life. I like to apologize to the neighbors, but they're fine. It's a V12 Symphony. We got the 750 Lambo. We got the gated Mercy Roadster. We're gonna rev them. We're gonna rev them? All of them? We just don't have a choice. We have to do this. We've had some cool roof shots in the past, but I would reckon this might be the coolest one we have ever had. We got 2 gated manual Mercies right there. The 750 Lambo, kind of sort of in the Utah snow. More to come on that. And go. You okay, Tessa? Yeah, you're good. She's good. Pull some boys. This is one of the most exciting sequences of the vlog ever. Guys, my CA Corvette has officially arrived in Kentucky. We're gonna fly out first thing tomorrow morning. I'm gonna FaceTime Chevy Dude. He's a sales guy who ordered the car for me. Oh man, it's finally here. Boys, let's do this. What's up, man? How's it going?
It's going awesome. That's why I was trying to get to you earlier, FaceTime with the camera.
I have really bad service. I'm in like no man's land right now.
Want to see your car?
Yeah, let's see it. Oh, there it is, boys! That's so sick. Oh, you got the red carpet.
Nope.
We got two Venties off-roading in Utah. I didn't really tell Ryan we were gonna be off-roading his SV, so Ryan, my apologies. I'm sorry. We're almost there though. The racetrack is stacked today. We got everybody here. Even Nate made it, he hasn't crashed yet. We got Clayton and Faith in the 430. This is sick. Whoa, 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 what's going on? Are you going?
Yeah, we're going.
Oh. We've reached the curious portion of the vlog. There's a sheriff here. Maybe he's just a car guy. Maybe he wants to see Ryan go out in the SV Roadster.
Yeah, I think he just wants to see the show.
Probably. Yeah. Or he's here to impound all the cars. Either or, one of the two. We'll see.
Option one.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go with one. One is supremely better than option two. We have the GT2RS right here. I don't know if the sheriff is going to do a hot lap. He might not. Oh, that's like a satin. That looks amazing. How sick is this? We were here for the first time like 2 or 3 months ago. We had 2 cars, and now we have 2 720s, a GT2RS. We have 2 Aventadors, a GTSR, but there's a disclaimer, boys. This is actually private property, so the guys from Blinker Fluid, they have invited me and my friends to come here, but this is not open to the public, so I know a lot of you guys might want to come here, but it is private property. There's no trespassing allowed. If you could please be respectful of that, I would be grateful, they would be grateful, because if people keep trespassing here, they're not going to invite me back. And this is such a sick spot, so please, if you're not invited, please don't come. A week ago, a supercharged Huracan came here and set the new track record at 106.6. I think that GT2RS or that 720 could beat it. It was a supercharged Huracan, and the guy driving it's a semi-professional driver, so there's a lot on the line. This is the track record, boys. Are you going?
Yeah.
Hot lap?
Yeah.
I did a 112 in my Aventador. You got an SV, bro.
Yeah, I don't even know where the
That's
corners
fine.
are.
I just hear excuses. All I hear is excuses. I'm just saying.
112 on snow tires or like?
Yeah, snow tires.
Snow tires.
Yeah.
Wow.
So you're on Summers.
Yeah,
you're
bald.
good.
They're bald.
All right, let's see a full send. Half send, and then full send.
I've got like, I've got like 3 in here.
Oh, that's true. I didn't think.
I've got 3 in here.
Maybe when you go full send, I'll hop in with you.
Yes.
Deal?
Done.
And Squirrely's shaking and bacon. 720S. I think we're talking like 950 horsepower. I'm pretty sure he's gonna set the track record. He's going full send, boys. Kind of sort of a precarious place to stand. We're gonna do a hot lap in the 750 Lambo. I was just told to tell you to behave.
I have to behave.
That's what
I
you need to
know,
behave.
but I have it in. I don't have it in Strata, man.
You have it in Corsa man mode. Yeah, okay, let's do it. You're flexing the carbon fiber doors on me. Are you kidding me? Oh, okay, Ryan's a madman. I told you to behave. He's not behaving.
I am behaving.
Oh my gosh. This car sounds insane in roadster form. Hold on, boys. Where did you learn to drive like this? Hold on, boys, I got you.
I hate this corner. Hate this corner.
This one's so scary. It's completely blind.
I hate it.
Oh my God.
Radar's going off.
And across the line. Dude, respect. That was sick. Ryan is a madman. Boys, if you don't follow him on Instagram or YouTube, links below. All right, I gotta catch my breath.
Should I do a donor here?
I look all disheveled. Yeah, you probably should. Oh, it's a good day. It's a beautiful day.
111.
You're 111.
111. Oh! I just got flexed on. I need a 750 Lambo. Are you kidding me? 111. Wait for it. 720S right there. I'm pretty sure he's gonna set the track record. Let's go. All right. Is he gonna set a track record?
I think so.
He's at a minute 1. Oh geez. Oh, he's on the dirt. 105.82. That's a track record in the dirt. All of a sudden, I mean not all of a sudden, I've always wanted a 720S, but now I officially might need to get one. 105.8. This is the first time ever. We're gonna hop in this one right here. Oh, it's a beautiful day here in Utah. We're shaking, oh my gosh. Where's the, ooh. Wow, okay, so I've been in some fast cars around this track. This is a whole different level. This is the warm-up lap. Jesse is a man. I've been in some fast cars around these corners. This 720 is just destroying them, and Jesse's just chilling right now, like no big deal.
Yeah, we're gonna go a little easy.
Jeez, it can't get any traction. That's 100 right there. Jeez.
There's that even.
Oh my gosh. I wish you guys kept going. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was 105 right there. My body is physically broken right now. What kind of power is this pushing right now?
1100 to the wheels.
1100?
Yeah, so we're tuned, exhaust, and
Okay.
downpipe.
You hear Jesse just said that so casually? That's like 1100 to the wheels. That's insane. Now I know why I'm so sore. I should have worn my diaper. Sorry, Jesse. You're gonna have to. I'm sure there's a detailer somewhere.
Yeah.
I know I don't look okay. I feel even worse than I look though. That was insanity. 1100 wheel horsepower, 720S. That was quick. Oh, jeez. Oh. Dude, we almost just died. That was almost it for Clayton and I. We're good. We almost just died. That Viper, like, I know on camera it's a wide angle lens. It did not look that close, but Clayton and I almost died at the exact same moment in time. I love racing out here so much, but unfortunately, a lot of people have been coming out here uninvited. This is private property. There's no trespassing allowed. The only times I come out here is when Blinker Fluid invites me. Guys, if you have not subscribed to their channel, link below, go subscribe to them. But this is a private track. If people keep coming out here, unfortunately, I'm not gonna be allowed to come out here again. I love filming these videos. I hope you guys enjoy this content, but please, if you have not been invited by Blinker Fluid, personally, you're not allowed out here. I don't want this to come across as like me trying to be rude, but I wanna keep coming out here, and if people keep coming out here, they're not gonna invite me back. So I love you guys, thank you for the support. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and today's video is not quite over. Whoa. You know Faith from Summit Life, so we were at Cheesecake Factory and they saved my cheesecake for me, but then they did a hot lap in the SRT with the cheesecake.
It got
Thank you.
a minute 23.
A minute, that's actually impressive because it's 430 to 118 and 123 in the SRT. That's not bad.
That's pretty impressive.
Cheesecake should be totally fine. Thank you. Another successful day. 750 Lambo, 720S is all of a sudden, I really, really want a 720. And go. I can't get over that 720S. I have never experienced a road car quite like that. 1,096 wheel horsepower on the dyno. I'm not sure exactly what's under the bonnet. I think an exhaust, a tune, and maybe a turbo upgrade. That car is simply sensational. I kind of sort of want one. Oh, anyways, guys, as always, I'm flying to Kentucky tomorrow. Tomorrow we are flying to Kentucky to take delivery of the C8 Corvette. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like Squad, be sure to smash that like button. Just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.